Wagwan my tenement yard peeps. Now this is why Spice is not really liked by certain institutions like schools, important events that has anything to do with children, because she sing about too much crutches. Spice sing about too much crutches. Like, there's no way I'm gonna say she's not an outstanding DJ or a dancehall sensation or powerhouse, but Spice. When I was much younger, no lie, I'm not gonna be a hypocrite. I loved Spice songs, don't get me wrong, hello. But after growing, it just I get stale. And I'm not gonna be biased. She has sung or DJ other things when I have nothing to do with, like crutches and them stuff there. But the one bagger song, and she's so innovative with how she sing the song them to both crutches. Cause now she released a new single what she call Goat's Hole. And y'all know what she's talking about. Like I said, she's innovative. She come with different ways of sing about crutches. And at this point, I'm like, okay, Spice, you got the tightest punani in Jamaica. You know what? Yeah, you're the tightest in Jamaica. You get the trophy there. Cause at this point, to always sing about your area and how tight it is. No more tight, no left for nobody. You get all of the tightness. We get it. You're the goat of tightness. But it's getting a bit too still now. Because, having the tightest, you're not married. You did there with one man, Ross, pan love and hip hop. Where him there now? You had a baby daddy. You're not with that baby daddy anymore. So, you see, having the tightest and having a goat hole, what it do? You see? So, it a get still now. I'm so annoyed of always hearing who have the tightest punani, who have the tightest this, who have the ever blessed, and the ever blessed not blessing you guys with a man who stays. So, Spice, please. Something new. Too much crutches song. It's annoying. Oh my god. But don't make me know what I think. In the comment section, don't drag me. Make a reason. Like the video. Even if you don't like me and support the channel. I'm big up on yourself.